Navigating the process of residential roof replacement can be a daunting task, but we're here to make it easier for you. In this video, we'll explain the roof replacement process and address your most common questions. Let's dive in. Here, we present the most frequently asked questions from our valued clients. How can I determine when it's time to replace my roof? To determine if it's time to replace your roof, consider the following factors. 1. Age of the roof. Roofs typically last between 20 to 30 years, depending on the material used. Do you know the age of your roof? Share with us in the comments below. 2. Frequent repairs. How often have you had to repair your roof since its installation? 3. Damaged or missing tiles or shingles. Cracked, curled, damaged or missing tiles or shingles can make your roof vulnerable to damage. 4. Sagging areas, flashing issues, or visible water damage. 5. Daylight through the roof boards. 6. Rising energy bills. 7. Mold, fungus, or moss. If you notice any of these signs, it's advisable to contact a professional who can provide a detailed assessment and explain the steps involved in the process of residential roof replacement. 2. What are the best roofing materials for my home in Florida? Choosing the right roofing material for your Florida home requires an understanding of the region's specific climate conditions and how various roofing materials perform in this environment. Florida's climate is characterized by high humidity, intense heat, frequent rain, and occasional hurricanes, demanding a roof that can withstand these elements while providing durability and aesthetic appeal. The 3 most common types of roofing materials that stand up well to Florida's climate are metal, tile, and asphalt shingles. 3. How much will the replacement of a new roof cost me? Let's break it down. Understanding the cost of a roof replacement in Florida is crucial, as it can vary based on factors such as roof size, complexity, materials chosen, labor costs, permits, and special requirements. On average, homeowners can expect to pay between $10,000 and $50,000 for a roof replacement in Florida. 4. I'm wondering how long the process of roof replacement takes. A professional roof replacement can typically be completed within 1 to 2 weeks. However, the duration of the project is influenced by various elements. Weather conditions, permitting, complexity of the roof, structural issues, material delivery delays, unexpected repairs, contractor availability, inspection delays. 5. How does the residential roof replacement process work? Here's a typical timeline for the process involved in replacing a residential roof. Initial consultation and estimate, 1 to 2 weeks. Contract review and signing, 1 week. Permitting, 1 to 4 weeks. Materials ordering and delivery, 2 to 4 weeks. Roof replacement, 1 to 2 weeks. Final inspection and cleanup, 1 to 2 days. Final paperwork and warranty information, 1 to 2 weeks. 6. Will the interior of my home be protected during the replacement process? The crew typically covers the landscaping and surrounding areas of your home with tarps to protect them from falling debris. Inside your home, it's advisable to remove wall decorations and other fragile items, as the vibrations from the roof work may shake them loose. 7. What kind of warranty is offered on my new roof? A new roof warranty typically consists of 2 main components: the manufacturer's warranty and the workmanship warranty. The manufacturer's warranty covers defects in the roofing materials, ranging from 10 years to a lifetime. On the other hand, the workmanship warranty, provided by the roofing contractor, covers installation errors, ranging from 2 to 10 years. 8. What should I do if I require financing for my roof replacement? Explore your options. There are various ways to finance your roof replacement, allowing you to protect your home without breaking your budget. These options could include personal loans, home equity loans, lines of credit, credit cards, grants, and outside financing companies. 9. Do I need a permit for the roof replacement? Yes, most municipalities require a permit for this type of major home improvement project. The permitting process is intended to ensure the work complies with local building codes, which are designed to safeguard your property and the people living in it. At Innovative Roofing, we can handle all aspects of the permitting process on behalf of the homeowner, including the initial application and final inspections. It's always a good idea to discuss this with your chosen roofing company before the work begins. If you're considering a residential roof replacement, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Contact us today. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. At Innovative Roofing, we're here to assist you with all your residential roof replacement needs. Remember, a secure roof ensures a safe home. Trust our expertise as a state-licensed and certified roofing contractor.